Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Trello task management with Trello, full guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your Trello task management, start by reviewing your current boards. Identify any boards that are cluttered or inefficient. Consider the purpose of each board and ensure they align with your goals. Next, reorganize your lists to better reflect your workflow. Create lists for different stages of your tasks, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Now, focus on your cards. Each task should have its own card to keep things organized. Ensure your cards have clear, concise titles. Add detailed descriptions to explain the task requirements. Utilize checklists on cards for multi-step tasks to track progress easily. Set due dates to hold yourself accountable and keep the team on track. Incorporate labels to categorize tasks by priority or project type. This will allow for easier filtering and searching later. Next, consider the use of attachments. Attach relevant files or links directly to cards to centralize information. If you're working with a team, assign members to specific tasks. This promotes accountability and collaboration. Utilize the comments section on cards for discussions and updates. This keeps all communication about a task in one place. Regularly review your boards and lists to identify any bottlenecks. Make adjustments as necessary to enhance efficiency. Consider employing automation tools like Butler to save time on repetitive tasks. Create triggers and rules that fit your workflow. Remember to archive completed cards and lists to reduce clutter. This keeps your workspace focused and manageable. Finally, establish a regular review process. Set aside time weekly to assess your boards and make necessary improvements. This ongoing evaluation will ensure your Trello setup remains effective. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.